G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I didn't have any work today, so basically we hopped into our four-wheel drive, as you can see there. Mum and I basically are on our way to Phillip Island. We've just stopped here at RUP. Steve's with us as well. So we're having a bit of a picnic and we're on our way to, as you can see there, it says RUP. About halfway to Phillip Island. We're just spending the day down at Phillip Island and we've just pulled over here and just off the highway, bit of a rest stop, get something to eat, and we'll continue the video later on. And Steve's just had a bit of food as well. There you go, he's just polishing it off. Hey, good boy. It's a pretty cool rest stop here at RUP. We're about 50 or 60 kilometres south of Melbourne on our way to Phillip Island. I think we're about 85 kilometres away from home. Nice little park rest stop. Let's go check out this little monument. It says this plaque commemorates the release in 1868 of sambar deer on William Lyle's property by the Victorian Acclimatisation Society. Okay, they obviously released deer in the area. I'm not going to read the whole thing. There's someone's old set of wheels. German dredge. These wheels are the remains of the Lübecker steam-driven bucket dredge that was imported from Germany in the early 1900s. Okay. Bit of history there. We've got the undercover picnic facilities. Now Mum and Steve are in the car over there, and I'm just doing a quick walk around of this rest stop here on the way to Phillip Island. There's like a little footbridge here. Nice little footbridge. There's not much else, it just goes round. Couple of little benches here made out of tree trunks. And obviously they've got a bit of water going through there. But as you can see there, that's the main freeway or highway that goes from Melbourne to Phillip Island. South Gippsland Highway, I think it is. And we're probably about 70 kilometres from Phillip Island at the moment, but this is cool little rest stop. Viewing platform up there, not much to see because it's just farmland. I'm just going to get in the car now. We're going to go to our next stop, but this is the KOO rest stop along the way to Phillip Island. You can see this information board here. KOO history and attractions, Aboriginal heritage, draining of the swamp, the floods, town history. I'm not going to go through all that. Mum and Steve are in the car waiting for me to get in there so we can head to Phillip Island. Say hello, Steve. Say hello, Steve. There you go. There's Steve. Hello. Say hello, Steve. Hello, Steve. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.